fam, welcome back to my channel, Gracefully EUT. On this channel today, we're gonna be making this natural healthy fat burning tea. So we have our mint, our ginger, we have our lemon too, and also water. We need our water. So I have 150 gram of water there, and also the blender to blend the whole ingredients together to give us our natural tea. So first I'm gonna be grating the lemon because we need the zest. Yeah, we need the zest of the lemon zest. So without wasting much of your time, let's get it started. I want to say a big thank you to all my returning subscribers. God bless you so much. I appreciate you. I appreciate for coming back to watch my videos, and I'm sure you are all benefiting from the recipes I'll be bringing up in this channel. And to all my viewers that have not yet subscribed, if you know you are coming across this video or in my channel for the first time, please click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new video, because this channel has a lot of health benefits to offer. Okay, God bless you. Stay blessed and stay tuned. For the lemon zest, we need at least a teaspoon for one person's recipe, because the recipe I'm preparing now is just for one person. So you can go. I'm in the aroma now in my kitchen. You don't want to know. It smells so nice. Oh my god. Oh my god. So this is the zest we got from the lemon fruit. So now I'm gonna add everything into the blender. So this recipe is just for one person, so you can go ahead and increase the ingredients if you want it for more people or for more time use. You can also increase the ingredients and just preserve this juice in your refrigerator for at least 3 days before you finally consume all. So the water I added was 150 gram of water. Yeah, that was the water I added. So we're just gonna blend this till it's really smooth, but not that smooth, So because it's not a smoothie and the water is much, so what we need is the juice. So we want to make sure the ingredients get blended properly or very well, so that all the benefits from it can, be in the water. So after blending, we're just gonna sieve and sieve and sieve. Yeah, we're gonna be sieving. So I think I will have to blend it once more because the ginger were not well blended enough. So I'm just gonna repeat blending these whole ingredients again. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know,
could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
Now you see how less the ingredients have become after I reblended the ingredients again, so not much left. And I'm sure all the nutrients has been transferred to the water. I know you might be wondering, why did I say lemon? Yes, now the lemon is coming in. So now you want to know the parts of the lemon in this juice now.
Is thinking about you not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do.
I already got the lemon and I just place it inside the juice. So I'm gonna be covering this juice overnight. This juice was done in the evening, so I'm gonna cover it overnight to be served in the morning, first thing in the morning after being microwaved. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it. If you have a jar with a cover or something, preferable. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it and place it in my refrigerator, for the lemon to absorb with the main juice. So I'm gonna put this straight away to my refrigerator, and I'll see you in the morning. So good morning. So just gonna go ahead and serve my juice. Yes, this is so healthy and helpful to reduce fat, It has a lot of health benefits. Take a look at that.
If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon.
Morning tea is served. Natural morning tea is served. So I'm just gonna microwave this. If you want it sweet, you can add some honey if you choose to, but I prefer to drink it like that. Cheers. So I'll see you on my next video. If you try this tea out, let me know what the effects or how you felt like. And until next video, stay safe and stay blessed. Bye.